Finally, I got it. Holder V2 for holding tablets on Dji Mavic Pro. Okay, so today I received the Holder V2 version. It is very nice, very light, and it's okay. It's very well made. I don't know what material is this, but it's very nice, very light, no weight at all. I thought it is going to be a holder with a lot of weight, but I don't think so. It's very cool. I was fed up of using the Mavic controller with a smartphone like this. I am short-sighted. I don't see well at near, and I have to use a big tablet like this, and I cannot fit the tablet on this controller. So now I can use it like this. I saw many tablet holders for Mavic controller, but I don't like any of them because most of the time it covers the entire controller. We cannot see the screen of the controller, and you can't even saw the sticks. Everything is covered up with the holder, and sometimes the tablet is going to be like that. And when I saw this holder, immediately I know this is my kind of holder. This is what I like. Let's see. Why is it so tight? Okay. Very nice. Very nice. Take a look at this. Take a look at this. You can put that around the neck. That is one thing it is missing on this controller. For us to put the controller around the neck, we can do it now. Maybe this should be here, not to cover the screen, but it's okay. Let's test it. And here we go. Very nice. Very, very nice. Very nice. Wobbles. I don't like things wobbling. Very, very nice. Now we can use a sunshade too. And that's it. Simple as that. Simple as that. The antennas are like that. We use this like this. Okay. Now it's time to test it on the field. Okay, that's cool. So now how to dismantle this. Can look big tablet in there. Okay. And this one goes there. I think it's like that. Or we can put in another position. Choose fine. And the V3 version is like this one, but it uses some different thing here, and we can turn the tablet around in other positions. Okay, I'm amazed with this material. Incredible, very light.